Hi, I'm Jackie. This week's problem asks us to find the first three terms of this sequence, the first three terms of S sub n, and the general equation for S sub n. So I'm going to start with a sub 0. So when I plug in 0, I get this, which then simplifies to 1/4. So now let's do a 1. Similarly, I just plug in 1, so I get 1/2. So I end up getting 1/12. And now let's find a sub 2. So I get 1/24. Okay, sweet. So now we're done with the first part of this question because we found the first three terms of this sequence. So now we need to find the first three terms of S sub n. So I like to write them right next to each other. So S sub 0 would just be the sum of the 0 terms, right? So it's just going to be a sub 0. So we know that's 1/4. So now let's do S sub 1. This is going to be a sub 0 plus a sub 1. So then we're going to have 1/4 plus 1/12, so we get 1/3. So now let's do S sub 2. Similarly, it's going to be a sub 0 plus a sub 1 plus a sub 2. So then we're going to get 1/4 plus 1/12 plus 1/24. So then we get 3/8. Okay, so now we're done with the second part of this question, and all that we have left is to find the general equation for S sub n. So I like to use these unreduced parts to try and figure this out. So S sub n, we know, I'm going to do that down here, is going to be a0 plus a1 plus, and it's just going to keep going until we get a sub n. So then, when I keep these terms like this, I can see if things will cancel. So I'm going to write that over here. So we're going to get 1/2, 1 minus 1/2 for a sub 0, then plus a sub 1. And so now I'm going to write a sub 2. And so now for the last bit, I'm going to just write what S sub n would be. And we can see by the pattern, what is given is going to be 1/2, and then capital N plus 1 on the bottom, and then capital N plus 2 on the bottom. Okay, so now we need to look at this and see if anything's canceling, because by looking at this, we can tell that it's a telescoping series. So, starting here, this isn't going to cancel, but this 1/2 will with this one, and then this 1/3 will with this one. And we can assume then that 1/4 is going to cancel with the next term. And it just keeps going and going and going. So we can conclude that this term will cancel with the previous term. So then we're left with S sub n is going to be 1/2, this 1/2 here, minus 1/2 n plus 2. So this is the last piece we had to find. And we're done.